Hello, GATE aspirant. If you are in a third year, fourth year of engineering, then this session is very important for you because you have been asking the GATE examination pattern for the 2023. So, what are the changes has been made? All the things we are going to discuss. So, first of all, duration of hour is 3 hours, and the number of subject you can call it stream, branch, कुछ भी बुला सकते हो, right? Depending upon you. And there's a number of section in this GATE examination is two section, basically general aptitude, which is 15 marks, and candidate select a subject which is core subject like computer, mechanical, electrical, जो भी आपके branch, right? The next thing is question के type क्या होते हैं? The first is multiple choice question MCQ, जो कि आपको basically पता है, and next is multiple select type question. This is the new pattern introduced last 2 to 3 years. So in multiple select question में क्या होता है कि 3 to 4 option will be given, statement will be given, not option, statement, और उन स्टेटमेंट दो सभी करेक्ट हो सकते हैं, सभी रॉन्ग हो सकते हैं, एक या दो करेक्ट हो सकते हैं. सो ये थोड़ा लिटिल बिट ऑफ कंफ्यूजिंग होता है, राइट, स्टूडेंट के लिए. द नेक्स्ट इज न्यूमेरिकल टाइप क्वेश्चन. In this year, the question is followed by the blank. One blank will be given and you have to calculate the answer and put the answer. Coming to number of question in GATE 2023, is total number of question is 65, right? 10 question comes from general aptitude and 55 question from your technical subject, mechanical, computer science, whatever your branch. So 55 question from that subject, right? Now we'll talk about a marking scheme. So there are basically two type of questions, 1 marks and 2 marks, right? For 1 marks wrong question, your marks will be deducted 0.33, that is 1 by third, right? And for 2 marks, the marks will be deducted if you answered wrong, then 2 by 3, that is 0.66 marks deducted, right? And the no negative marking in MSQ, multiple select टाइप क्वेश्चन, जिससे मैंने बताया मल्टीपल ऑप्शन रहेंगे, स्टेटमेंट रहेंगे, उनमें आप रॉन्ग करते हो तो आपको नेगेटिव मार्केट नहीं होगी, 0 मार्क्स मिलेंगे, अगर करेक्ट होगा तो फुल मार्क्स मिलेंगे, राइट? So this is about negative marking and marking scheme. Now a quick announcement for you. Guys, if you are in third year or final year of BTech degree, then and if you are preparing for GATE 2023 2024, then Unacademy is with you to help to crack GATE 2023. So for that purpose, you have to participate in this ultra combat, which is scheduled on 24th of April 11 a.m. right? So mark this date and enroll right now by using the code of this 10, right? So when you enroll, you can win up to 5,000 Amazon gift voucher. Along with that, if you got the top rank, then you can get 100% scholarship, right? So what are the prizes in front of you? MacBook Air, iPad, iPhone 11, a Samsung smartwatch, JBL speaker, and as I mentioned earlier, Amazon voucher, right? So enroll right now using the code of this 10, and you will be guided by the top faculty in the Unacademy, right? So what is the syllabus? Syllabus is simply quantitative aptitude, which is maths and logical reasoning, right? So inside this you have to solve 30 question in 60 minutes. 30 क्वेश्चन होंगे, 60 क्वेश्चन होंगे. अगर आप सेलेक्ट होते हो, राइट, टॉपर बनते हो, तो आपको स्कॉलरशिप अप टू 5 करोड़ मिलेगी. यू कैन सी, राइट, दिस इज द 5 crore scholarship in front of you. So you have to use the code of this for the enrollment purpose, right? So you can see this is the previous GATE toppers, right, who have participated like this combat, ultra combat, and got the rank in IIT. So this is the ultra combat guys. Participate right now and use the code of this 10 for the enrollment purpose. Mark your date 24th of April 11 a.m. onwards, right? The next big thing in GATE is combination of two paper, right? This creates a lot of confusion among the student. So उनके मन में क्वेश्चन रहता है, क्या मैं एक सब्जेक्ट सिलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ instead of selecting two papers? Yes, you can do it, right? Suppose you are from CS background, right? So you can see these are the options given by the GATE committee. You can choose physics, statistics, maths, right? So similarly for other branches, right? And you can also give two papers, right, as the new pattern is introduced. So this is all about GATE examination pattern and subject pattern, right? Two paper combination. So hope you like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the like button.